Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I'm so happy to see you here today because we are going to talk about something that every single person dreams of, but very few actually achieve. Success. Now, what is success? For some people, success means money. For others, it means respect, happiness, or freedom. But whatever your definition is, success always follows certain rules. These rules are universal. They work in every field, every profession, and every stage of life. So today's topic is rules for success. I'm going to share with you the most powerful rules of success, explained in simple English, with practical examples. If you listen carefully and apply them, your life will definitely move in a better direction. Rule 1. Have a clear vision. Success starts with clarity. If you don't know where you're going, how will you ever reach there? Successful people have a clear vision of what they want. They write it down, they visualize it, they live it in their mind before it becomes reality. Ask yourself, what do I really want in life? The clearer your answer, the faster success will come. Rule 2. Set specific goals. A vision becomes powerful when you turn it into goals. Goals are like roadmaps. Without them, you will get lost. Don't just say, I want to be successful. Say, I want to become a government officer within 2 years. Or, I want to build my own business by the age of 30. Clear, specific goals create focus and energy. Rule 3. Work hard and smart. Hard work is non-negotiable. There is no shortcut to success. But working hard alone is not enough. You must also work smart, use your time wisely, prioritize important tasks, and find better ways of doing things. Remember, success, hard work plus smart work. Rule 4. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is like a spark. It comes and goes. But discipline is the fire that keeps burning. If you rely only on motivation, you will stop when you feel lazy. But if you build discipline, daily routines, habits, and consistency, you will keep moving even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the backbone of success. Rule 5. Learn continuously. Life never stops teaching. Successful people never stop learning. They read books, listen to mentors, practice new skills, and improve themselves every day. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, reads 5 to 6 hours a day. Elon Musk learned rocket science by reading and asking questions. Knowledge is power. Keep learning, keep growing. Rule 6. Take action. Dreaming is easy, but doing is rare. Many people have ideas, but only those who take action succeed. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start now with what you have. Even small actions every day create big results over time. Action is the bridge between dreams and success. Rule 7. Learn from failures. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. Every successful person has failed, but they never gave up. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. His attitude was, I didn't fail 1,000 times. I discovered 1,000 ways that don't work. Failure is feedback. Learn the lesson and move forward stronger. Rule 8. Manage time. Wisely, time is more valuable than money. Everyone gets 24 hours a day, but successful people use it differently. They prioritize, they plan, they avoid wasting hours on useless things. If you want success, ask yourself daily, am I spending my time on things that move me closer to my goals? Rule 9. Surround yourself with the right people. You become like the people you spend time with. If your circle is lazy, negative, and unambitious, you will become the same. But if you surround yourself with positive, hardworking, and successful people, you will naturally grow. Choose your circle wisely. It will shape your future. Rule 10. Stay positive and resilient. Success is not a straight line. There will be challenges, setbacks, and disappointments. What matters is your attitude. A positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means focusing on solutions, believing in yourself, and never quitting. Resilience, the ability to bounce back, is one of the strongest rules of success. Rule 11. Take risks. Playing safe all the time keeps you average. Success requires risk. Starting a business, changing a career, or investing in yourself all involve risk. But remember, successful people don't take blind risks. They take calculated risks. Study, prepare, and then be brave. Rule 12. Build strong habits. Success is not built in a day. It is built by small habits repeated daily. Waking up early, exercising regularly, reading daily, writing goals, practicing gratitude. Habits. Create your future. Build good ones and they will carry you to success. Rule 13. Focus on one thing at a time. Many people try to do everything and achieve nothing. Successful people focus. They pick one goal, one project, and give it their full energy. Concentration is power. Focus on what matters most. Rule 14. Control your mind and emotions. An uncontrolled mind creates distractions, fear, and laziness. A controlled mind creates focus, clarity, and discipline. Meditate, practice mindfulness, and learn emotional control. Don't let anger, fear, or jealousy guide your decisions. If you control your mind, you control your life. Rule 15. Help others. True success is not just about you. It's about the value you create for others. When you help people, you build trust, respect, and relationships. And in the long run, people always support those who support them. The more value you give, the more success comes back to you. Rule 16. Believe in yourself. The world will doubt you, criticize you, and laugh at you. But if you don't believe in yourself, nothing will work. Self-belief is the foundation of success. Tell yourself, I can do it. I am capable. I will make it happen. Rule 17. Stay humble. No matter how successful you become, never let pride control you. Stay humble, keep learning, and respect others. Arrogance destroys relationships and opportunities. Humility attracts respect and growth. Rule 18. Adapt to change. The world is changing fast. Technology, jobs, opportunities. If you resist change, you get left behind. If you adapt, you grow. Learn new skills, update yourself, and stay flexible. Adaptability is survival. Rule 19. Be consistent. Success is not about doing something once in a while. It's about doing the right things every single day. Consistency beats talent, intelligence, and luck. Even small efforts, if done daily, create massive success over time. Rule 20. Never give up. This is the golden rule. Many people quit just before success arrives. Winners keep going no matter how hard it gets. If you stay patient, persistent, and determined, success is guaranteed. Final thoughts. So my friends, these are the 20 rules for success. Let's quickly recap. Have a vision. Set goals. Work hard and smart. Be disciplined. Keep learning. Take action. Learn from failures. Manage time. Choose the right people. Stay positive. Take risks. Build habits. Focus. Control your mind. Help others. Believe in yourself. Stay humble. Adapt to change. Be consistent. Never give up. Follow these rules, and no power in the world can stop you from being successful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these rules inspire you to take action and move closer to your dreams. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and English-speaking content.